Yeah, I believe it's go there. I think it's down there. Just down there, maybe. Yeah, I think so. Well, I don't know if that is for that, but let me see. Hmm. Well, I don't know for what is that, but I believe it goes here. Oh, okay, it's an extra. This thing here, it goes here. So this is an extra one. Well, today we'll learn something new. Yes. So this is for that. I know now how to say this. Who likes my blender? Who likes my new keys? Really like it? Okay, so let's check the salmon. I think we have been talking for long. Let's check the salmon, okay? Let me just put this here. Okay. Let's see. I don't know what am I gonna do because I really want to check the chat. I really don't know why the chat is not showing. Let's see. I'm so tired. What's that? I don't know what's going on with this. Let me see. Let me see. I'm trying to see if I can see the chat, but I don't know. Let's see. Live chat. Let me see. Okay. Let me see if I can see the chat. Someone talking to me. Let me see. I am not able to see the chat. I've been doing everything as possible and I don't see it. Let me see here. How's everybody doing today? Happy Monday. I'm sorry, I look a little tired, yes, because I have a lot of things to do. Chat or message, let me see. Message. Show message, every message. I have it well, but I don't know. Well, I'm sorry, I'm not able to see the chat. Hello, everybody. I'm sorry, I'm not able to see the chat. Let me see.